Maximizing AirPods use when case battery is dead.
Hey there, AirPods users. Today, we're going to tackle an essential topic that every AirPods user might have wondered about at some point. How long can I use my AirPods when the case battery is dead? Whether you're on a long trip or you simply forgot to charge your case, this information will be invaluable.
What's the battery life of AirPods?
AirPods are designed with up to 5 hours of listening time and up to 3 hours of talk time on a single charge. This applies to both AirPods 2nd generation and AirPods Pro. However, the battery life can vary depending on the settings you use, how you handle them, and the condition of the battery, as batteries degrade over time.
How much does the case contribute?
An interesting thing to note is that the charging case is an integral part of your AirPods' overall battery life. A fully charged case will give you over 24 hours of listening time or up to 18 hours of talk time. However, without a charged case, you're only working with the initial battery life of the AirPods themselves.
What happens when the case battery is dead?
Without a charged case, your AirPods' usability will be constrained by the charge they held the last time they were in the case. So, assuming you start with fully charged AirPods, once the case battery is dead, you can expect up to 5 hours of listening time or 3 hours of talk time before your AirPods will also die. So to wrap things up, without a charged case, you can use your fully charged AirPods for around 3 to 5 hours. Therefore, it's crucial to ensure your case is charged whenever possible to maximize your AirPods usage time. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your Apple devices. Happy listening!